Hi, boys and girls. Today's lesson is going to pick up where we left off yesterday. Yesterday, we practiced using the words more and fewer, and we compared two groups, and we used our math sentences. There are more, there are fewer. So today, we're going to be using those words once more, but we're going to change it just a little bit. So let's take a look at how we are changing our new concept. All right, this past week we've been using the words more and fewer. When we have more of something, our group is bigger. When we have fewer of something, our group is smaller. Say more, say fewer. More, fewer. Excellent. Well, today we're going to add an extra word to our vocabulary. We're going to change more into the phrase more than. We're going to change fewer into the phrase fewer than. More than, fewer than. More than, fewer than. So we're going to be using that language today as we compare two groups of objects. So let's take a look at some examples that I'm going to do. Let's look at box number 1. We have some volleyballs. And in box number 2, we have some baseballs. So I'm going to count each group to count how many. I'm going to use my cross and count strategy. 1, 2, 3. In box 1, there are 3 volleyballs. Now I'm going to count what's in box 2. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 baseballs. So I'm going to write the number 7 so I don't forget. Now I'm going to compare the amount of balls that are in box 1 to the amount of balls in box 2 with a new math sentence. I'm going to say the number of balls in box 1 is fewer than box 2 because this group has fewer and this group has more. So the number of balls in box 1 is fewer than box 2. Look at my next example. Here I have some basketballs. I'm going to compare it to the group of footballs. First, I'm going to cross and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 basketballs in box 1. Now I'm going to cross and count the number of balls in box 2. 1, 2. I have 2 footballs. Now I'm going to use my comparison sentence. The number of balls in box 1 is, well, when I look at box 1, there's more. So I'm going to say the number of balls in box 1 is, oops, I don't know why it's writing. Let me erase that. Is, I'm not sure what happened there, guys, is more than box 2. So let's try that again. The number of balls in box 1 is more than the number of balls in box 2. All right, let's look at my next example. I have soccer balls versus some volleyballs. I'm going to first cross and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 soccer balls in box 1. Now I'm going to count my volleyballs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 balls in box 2. So box 1 has more, box 2 has fewer. So using my new vocabulary, I'm going to say the number of balls in box 1 is more than box 2. Again, the number of balls in box 1 is more than box 2. All right. Now you're going to help me figure these ones out. So let's cross and count our footballs. So you're going to count out loud as I cross and count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 footballs in box 1. Can you show me 6 on your fingers? Yeah, you should be showing me 5 and 1, 3 and 3, or 4 and 2. 6 fingers. All right, let's all count together the number of balls in box 2. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Excellent. So I have 9 balls in box 2. Can you show me 9 on your fingers? Yeah, you should have 9 fingers. Excellent. Now we're going to compare the number of balls in box 1 to box 2. Is the number of balls in box 1 more than box 2? Or is the number of balls in box 1 fewer than box 2? Show me with your hands. More than or fewer than? You should be showing me fewer than. The number of balls in box 1 is fewer than box 2. There's less footballs than there are tennis balls. Let's take a look at our next example. Here's box 1. Here's box 2. You're going to help me count. Get your mouth ready to count. Here we go. Count with me. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 balls in box 1. Show me 8 on your fingers. Yeah, you should show me 8. You can show 5 and 3, 4 and 4. Okay, those are our options. All right, let's count box 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 balls in box 2. All right, now we're going to compare. Is the number of balls in box 1 more than box 2? Or is the number of balls in box 1 fewer than box 2? Show me with your hands. Is box 1 more than box 2 or fewer than box 2? Show me. You should be showing me more than. 8 is more than 5. It's a bigger group. So box 1 is more than box 2. All right, let's take a look at this example. Let's count the balls in box 1. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Show me 5 on your fingers. Yeah, 5 fingers. All right, here we go. Let's count box 2. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Show me 6 on your fingers. We have 6 balls in box 2. Very good. All right, now we have to compare. Is the number of balls in box 1 great more than or fewer than? Is the number of balls in box 1 more than or fewer than? Show me with your hands. Is the number of balls in box 1 more than box 2 or fewer than box 2? You should be showing me fewer than. Fewer than. 5 balls is fewer balls than 6. Very good. All right, let's look at our next example. Here we go. You're going to help me count them. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Show me 9 on your fingers. Yeah, 9 fingers. All right, that's box 1. Now let's count box 2. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 balls in box 2. Now we have to compare. Is the number of balls in box 1 more than box 2? Or is the number of balls in box 1 fewer than box 2? So look at this group. Is it more than or fewer than this group? Show me with your hands. You should be showing me more than. This group of balls is more than this group of balls. So in box 1 is more than box 2. All right, let's look at this example. Let's get ready to count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 balls in box 1. Now let's get ready to count box 2. Ready? Count. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 balls in box 2. All right, now let's compare. Is the number in box 1 more than the number in box 2? Or is it fewer than the number in box 2? Is 7 balls more than 3 balls? Or is 7 balls fewer than 3 balls? Show me with your hands. You should be showing me more than. There are more balls in this box than this box. So 7 balls is more than 3 balls. Way to go. All right, let's look at this example. I think this is our last one. Yep. So let's do this one together. Get ready to count. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 balls in box number 1. Let's count this box. Get ready to count. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 balls in box number 2. All right, let's compare. Is the number of balls in box 1 more than box 2 or fewer than box 2? So is our group of 4 balls more than our group of 8 balls? Or is our group of 4 balls fewer than 8 balls? Show me with your hands. More than or fewer than? You should be showing me fewer than. 4 balls is fewer than 8 balls. Nice job. All right, today on your own, after you log off, you are going to do your own activity sheet in Google Classroom. So on Google Classroom, you're going to see these 2 worksheets. You're going to be circling the group that has more. You're going to be circling the group that has fewer. That's your assignment in our Google Classroom. Then when you're done with your Google Classroom work, you're going to work on your green folder. See you later.